What's up, YouTube? Today we're back with another video, and if you tuned into the last video, you've seen we installed a new shifter. So in today's video, I want to really get some driving footage. I want to see how this thing really handles on the back roads and everything, and just kind of feel it out. But before we jump into that, we got to change the oil. I'm like sitting around like 6,000 to 7,000 miles since the last oil change, which isn't crazy, but for me, I do it every like 4,000 to 5,000 just to keep the engine healthy. Let's check the oil real quick, and then we're going to change the oil with some Castrol Edge, 5W20, and then also our K&N oil filter. All right, let's check this oil real quick. You know, that's actually not too bad. I forgot I ran over a coyote down here. Some really nasty stuff. Oil that thing down.
Did you get that thing oiled down?
Oiled down?
Yeah, did you get it oiled up?
You talking about the oil change?
Yeah.
So why don't you just say that?
This is a phenomenal spot for an oil filter, just in case anybody was wondering. Alright, we're done with all that. I'm gonna do this real quick. Doing the oil changes, we're gonna, that's a lot actually. It's actually kind of crazy. We're gonna change the catch can. Look at that.
Sensational.
All right, YouTube, change of plans. Alternator went out probably a couple weeks ago. We got an alternator on the way. There's a big time jump from the last pickup, which is changing the oil, to now. But we're gonna go out and drive after the oil change. But now we gotta fix this. Things happen. This is life. So go ahead and come over here real quick. I don't got a flashlight. So alternator is absolutely trash. Battery is dead. So what we're doing right now is we're taking out the battery and we're gonna have to recharge it because it's completely dead. And then the alternator should be here tomorrow. So we're gonna go ahead and work on getting this pulled out, taking the battery in and getting it completely charged. Once again, I'm sorry. This video is strictly going to be not driving, but literally working on the stupid alternator that we changed a year ago. So like I said, alternator comes in tomorrow. After we get all this done, we're gonna flash forward to tomorrow of us putting it in. And then we'll work on getting our driving video done so we can actually finish what we started, which is the MGW video. Sorry once again, but if you made it this far, please smash the like button. I'm broke, I need some money, please help me. Thank you guys once again. Smash the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for noties, and let's jump into this. Not recording. God dang!
There it is.
It is now.
Nice. There it is.
Our boy Josh is supposed to be over here,
But he ain't helping us.
What's up, player?
doing all right? Yeah. This is
Back at it.
I'm saying back at it again. This video is supposed to be just me driving, but you know, things happen, I guess, you know.
Hey, more content for you.
I'm saying it's like God knew. He was like, I got you. You've been praying for this one. I got you.
You need some stuff, I got you.
But yeah, I'm trying to get this knocked out, and then I gotta charge the battery, and then we set.
He be on there for like 3 business days.
Nah, I really sometimes that'd be.
That's the homie though.
Here go Brock.
Donnie the homie for real though.
Getting this thing. Sorry, I got this one. That's what I'm talking about.
All right.
That's what I'm talking about.
Who needs a garage? Unless it's the trans.
Better lighting out here.
I'm
Dude, I
saying.
changed the oil in the G-Wagon yesterday on my foundation for my house. 'Cause I got oil all over it, but it's technically the garage, so I don't care. But it's like,
All right, Vic.
Oh, brother, that was almost bad.
What'd you have to do to it?
boys.
All right, brother. I see, brother.
He was talking to you.
Oh, sorry, what?
Oh, no, I was talking to you.
Oh, I thought you were talking about my fault. Yeah, so the battery's completely dead. So I gotta go and like recharge it.
Sounds like you got it under control though.
Dude, that's
Yeah.
wild.
I'll let you get back at
Love
it.
you, bro.
Good to see you, my friend.
Good to see you. I appreciate you stopping in. Hey, you'll see your face on YouTube.
Good.
One way or another.
I'm gonna find you.
The biggest thing, do you know how to check this? I need to check and make sure this is good.
What is that? I don't have my glasses on.
Like the cord for the alternator. Clearly it's the alternator because it won't stay charged. But either it's the alternator or it's this.
I'm a YouTube and chat GPT mechanic, but so I haven't asked the internet yet, but I would imagine
Hey Brock, you wanna pull this off for me real quick?
yes. What do you need me to do?
I'm gonna pull this. Just pick that up.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Dude, look at this. I mean, I won't change it anytime soon, but.
Bro. All right, boys.
See you, boss. Be safe. What's up, brother?
How's it going?
Doing all right?
Oh, yeah.
Drawing a crowd now.
Them damn cookies is good, bro.
You like that?
Heck yeah.
Told you.
I mean, I've had her cooking before. I know she cooks good. What you mean? Don't look at me like
You said you had her what before?
cooking. No.
Great heavens.
Oh, great heavens. Like,
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
almost hit my dadgum head. That's why I had to stop.
Here, double fist the flashlight. Hold it still, son. Hold it still.
What was that one with the little kid and the grandpa fixing the car?
Oh, the I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
Yeah.
That's too dang bad.
Until chilling in Canada. Shit. Must be nice to get PTO.
You think Joe would give us PTO?
Absolutely not.
He works at Walmart though.
Yeah, point out, there's a lot more benefits than we do.
I wish I. You know that bindle they throw over their shoulder and hold it? Wish I got PTO. You funny, bro.
How many cookies did she make?
I think 7. The number of completion.
Dang, how many did you eat?
2?
Big bag.
Me?
Yep. Eating the damn good cookies.
Hey, you know I'm gonna eat the cookie. That off right there. Take a picture of us.
That kind of reminds me of a spark from a transformer.
A spark?
Yeah, the life,
Like the
life
heart?
force.
No,
Yeah,
100%.
the life force of a transformer. It's just not circular.
Hold this right here.
How hard do you want me to put?
Perfect, thank God. Yaga. Piece of dookie.
Is that the?
Alternator. That's the defibrillator.
You could sell the copper in it.
I might just sell the whole thing. That's the defibrillator. It goes to the respirator.
The Terminator.
Right next to the barbibulator. Let me flying. Dang! That boy is scooting!
Am I swerving that corner road? Policio. I want some daggum horchata.
You want a whore?
Horchata, boy.
Oh. Yeah, so this ain't coming out.
Wow, he going so fast.
He had to stop at a red light, bro.
Yeah, oh yeah, I forgot there's a red light right there.
You couldn't be a police officer, you'd T-bone! So red goes to positive, let's remember that. White goes to... So it's plugged up, away from everything. Flash forward to tomorrow. YouTube, we are officially back. As you can tell, picking up where we left off. I need to clean this out, I already know, bro. Don't grill me in the comments. Battery is charging, and here's the new alternator. This thing is beefy. This thing is super heavy, not gonna lie to you. It is from KMJ MOTORSPORTS, 200 amp alternator. So hopefully this thing does not go dead anytime soon, bro. I'm hoping this lasts me 50 years if I need it. I'm gonna leave the link to where I got this, kmjmotorsports.com, should be. If not, then I will leave the link in the description so y'all can go check them out. We're gonna put it in and we're gonna give her a crank and hopefully everything is good. So let's jump into it. KMJ Motorsports. Boys on there. Sir, new nut too, no diddy. Slide this up and over. Right there. I like the little KMJ logo too. I'm not gonna lie, that's actually kind of tough. It's not. There we go. I'm that close. I'm getting close. That's my new alternator.
Oh, okay.
But
did you put that on yourself?
I did. I just did it. Only problem is the battery went completely dead, so now I got to recharge that. Either that or get a new one. So, but you know what we did?
What?
We prayed about it.
That's right.
You know what we're not gonna do?
Worry about it.
Come on now. Come on now. Come on now.
Hey, I already know.
Cause you be stressed in the moment and you be like, why am I worried about this?
That's right. That's
So I was like, worst case scenario, I buy a new battery.
yes.
You know what I mean? So
Yeah, we're gonna pray about that too.
you know what I'm saying? I mean,
Don't sweat it. But I want you to go in before it gets dark out here.
Oh.
I don't want you out here by yourself, okay?
hey, I'm not alone.
Amen, but I still don't want you by here by
Hey,
yourself.
I know what you mean.
Okay. All right, honey, be careful.
We keep that Bible and that too.
Good job.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Be careful.
These birds dookie on my car. All right, y'all. Battery is apparently at 12 volts. So, apparently, it should be good. Apparently. Oh, snap, bro. Bro, I'm gonna be so geek right now. I'm gonna be so geek right now if this don't work. Yes, sir. Lights are on. Radio's on. Oh, please don't blow up. Lord Jesus, please allow this car to be okay. Let everything be good. 105,000 miles on the dash. All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. Let's freaking go, bro. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes. Let's freaking go. Lights are bright. Come on, baby. Yes, sir! KMJ! KMJ! Come on, let's get a KMJ chant. The chat. KMJ! 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 Let's freaking go, bro. I'm so geeked right now. Bro, I missed it.